Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life and we're off on holiday. And when we go on holiday to Ayia Napa, we always pay a visit to the sculpture park. And this time I'm going to film it. I won't visit every sculpture because there's just too many, but we'll have a nice little walk so you can see why you should definitely add this to your list of things to do in Ayia Napa, because the place is amazing. Even the drinking fountains are a work of art. They've been added, the sculptures here, over the years since around 2015, I think. Nice musical instrument. A snake eating itself with a strange head, and the setting is just lovely, but you might want to think about when to come and visit in terms of time of day, because obviously if you're here in the middle of the day it can soon get rather hot. I'm here at about, I think it's 9:30. I'm already sweating a little bit. That one. Quite like. And there's something for all tastes there. It's from Ukraine, quite symbolic at the moment, but it's actually been here since 2019. Happier times. Boom, boom, boom. There's no artistic drinking fountain. One of the abandoned village could do with some of those. Oh, I'm going this way because one of my favourite ones is just down here. It also gives you nice views. Just to let you know where we are, Ayia Napa's to our right that way. Down here is the Love Bridge, directly in front of us. You can't see it from here, it's behind those houses. Paraglide about to see. And when I was flying my drone here the other year, I had to keep an eye out for them for obvious reasons. This one I like. Solidarity. That was from 2017. And if it was to symbolise the EU. That's from Belarus. There are several paths from this point, so we'll just take the lowest for now. What's this one? It's from Russia. There's another one I really like. It's funny because some of these ones here will have dates of like 2018. I swear I didn't see them before. But unfortunately that one seems to have lost its tag. I do like that one. Yes, that's a shame. I was going to give you information on it, but its tag's gone. I don't think there's actually an official guide to the park either. Now ones like this are popular with people who stand in them for pictures, which is fair enough. Vital Space it's called. God, I'm feeling the heat now. That's another musical one. Should hasten to add I've got my hat on. This one's fairly bizarre, but I like it. The view. Again, you're just standing other side with a head in there for a great Instagram shot. Being heckled by the missus there. And this is unusual because it's a different colour. What did you say?
There are geese and water going under there now.
Oh, okay. Aphrodite of Cyprus. Apparently the bridge up here is now a proper bridge in that water runs underneath it. Oh, it's the hungry hippos. Alright, hungry hippos. That's from Florence. Nice view of the park from here, so you can see how many there are. Let's check out. Oh yes, up the water now and some geese. Right. We're going to take a break now because to the other side of that bridge there is Cactus Park, and I'll film that too. Ooh. What's going on there? Oh, obviously some of the geese having a bit of an orgy. So yes, I'll have a quick break and go and film the Cactus Park, and when we come back we'll go back that way. I'll leave you with this one. Okay, see you soon.